Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video about Brushify. Brushify is something that I've been using for quite some time, and I wanted to make a video about showing how to make a hole in the landscape using Brushify. I had a hard time figuring this out, even though it was a pretty simple explanation, pretty simple solution here. So as you see, I cut a hole in the landscape, trying to make it kind of look like a cave, and I'm able to walk through it. Okay, so this will be a pretty quick solution here. So the main thing you need to know here is if you select the landscape and you go down and look for advanced. If you click that, you see landscape hole material. It just needs to be the Brushify main landscape material, because this already has the hole, what we need for the hole in it here. So under the mask here, they already have it set up for the visibility mask. So if you were trying to make your own hole in the landscape, and you were making new material and setting this up yourself, that's why you're having the issues. Okay, so we just need to use this material. So I'll show you real quick. It's really simple. So let's sculpt something. Oh, there it is. Put a bit more strength into it. Okay, actually we really don't need to sculpt anything, but we'll take that. You want to go to the visibility, and since we have the hole material set up, we can just paint the hole there. And if you get anything on it that makes the hole look bad, go to paint, scroll down here, and make sure you have the remove procedural there, and make sure it says no weight blend. Okay, we'll click that, and we'll paint over the procedural, and there you go. It's pretty clean. The only thing is once you make the hole, when you go inside, from the inside, if you look up, you'll see the grass and all the procedural stuff there. So if you're going to make a cave, you're going to have to put something above the cave. Like the little one I made here, it won't look too good for a player if you don't cover the top of it or cover the ceiling. Okay, well that was it guys, just wanted to put that out there. I found that out the other day and it helped me out. Okay, thanks.